So hey guys, so today I want to show you about a wire stripper. So this is a wire stripper. So people who always collect like copper, like people are electrician, they gotta like, okay, hold on, I'm trying to put this one away from everybody. Okay, so a lot of electrician, they do, they keep the excess wire. So here in America or anywhere, I think you can always find something to do that, extra wire. So today I'll show you how to use this wire. It's wire stripper machine. So this one, I got this one from Amazon, right? So now oops, shoot, hold on, I'm trying to get the right angle. So this is like the extra wire that you kind of like take it out. This is like a big wire, so you take it out the top and they have 3 wires inside. I think they use this one for like big appliances, right? So if you're an electrician, you know what I'm talking about. All right, so I'm gonna cut this one, right? Trying to show you guys. Anyway, this is the one, the adjustment, and then this thingy, this is that you put your wire. They have different holes. So right. You push it in and then it's already set. So I have to do that, and then if you see it, it's strip sometimes. So you gotta go back, like that. So if you see, guys, strip the wire, and this is the copper. If you have any question, please comment down below.